In today's video, we're shining a light on the top 3 flashlight apps for Android. Whether you need a quick flash of light or some extra features, these apps have you covered. Let's explore how each one can help illuminate your path. Simple Flashlight. Simple Flashlight is an easy-to-use app that turns your Android device into a powerful flashlight with just a tap. The app utilizes the phone's built-in camera flash and offers a straightforward interface, making it accessible for all users. Besides the flashlight functionality, it includes additional features like a strobe light and adjustable brightness levels, allowing you to customize your lighting according to your needs. The simplicity of the app, with no complicated settings, makes it a popular choice for users looking for a reliable and efficient flashlight. Flashlight app. Flashlight app is a versatile tool that transforms your smartphone into a multifunctional flashlight. This app not only turns on your device's camera flash, but also features a screen light option, which utilizes the entire screen as a light source, perfect for situations where a flashlight isn't available. Users can choose from various colors and brightness levels for the screen light, making it fun and customizable. Additionally, the app has a user-friendly design and provides instant access to the flashlight from the home screen or notification bar, ensuring you can use it quickly when needed. Flashlight Plus. Flashlight Plus is another excellent app that offers reliable flashlight functionality combined with extra features. The app provides access to the device's camera flash and includes a bright screen light option for added convenience. Flashlight Plus also includes a strobe light feature, allowing you to set different flash patterns for parties or emergencies. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, and it even has a built-in compass for outdoor activities. With consistent updates and support, Flashlight Plus is a great choice for anyone needing a dependable flashlight app with a few extra tools. Thanks for watching our video on the best flashlight apps for Android. We hope you found the perfect app to brighten up those dark moments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.